Bibili po kami ng kailangan namin sa anong lulutuin? Ha? Anong lulutuin?
Bibingka with buko.
Okay, magluluto kami ng bingka with buko. So ayan, welcome to my channel. So ngayon ang gagawin po namin is bibingka in a pan.
Bibingka with buko.
Bibingka with buko. So let's get started.
Cup glutinous rice.
May gunting-gunting.
First, mix all the dry ingredients. Half tablespoon.
Maliit. Yan siya.
Ito? 5 ml tama. Half tablespoon. And then, 1/3 cup white sugar.
Saan tag dito para ito? Yan mo na yung sugar matamis. Ito.
Ha?
Yan.
Ano to? 100 ml eh. Ano mo muna? Baka sumobra ng tamis. I-convert mo muna.
Sa'yo. Kasi nag-video ako eh.
Ano yun? 1/3.
Oh, yan. Ganyan.
Ito?
Oo, yan. 1/3 cup sugar.
Okay. And then mix.
Mix all the dry ingredients.
Mix all the dry ingredients. Ito na.
Yung isa. Yung spatula muna. Yan. Kasi may tayo, blender.
Yes. Yan. Mix lang po natin siya. Mix natin yung dry ingredients. And then, okay. And then in the other pan, we put 1 egg.
Okay, start na. Let's break the egg. Wow! Isabel is breaking the egg perfectly. Very good.
Sabel, pour this one. Slowly.
Wait.
Slowly,
Slowly. Can you give the spatula to her?
Okay, no.
Wait,
Ina.
give the spatula so easy for her.
Okay.
Oh, hala. Hi.
Okay, Sabel, you put.
Slowly with the...
Slowly,
Yeah,
okay.
very good.
Yan.
So what are you doing?
We're doing, what is this? We call it
Bibingka.
coconut bibingka.
No, buko.
Coconut and buko is the same. My God.
Coconut matigas yun. Buko malambot.
Okay, fruit coconut.
Calm down.
The baby coconut.
Can you make
Okay.
it? Can you make it faster? My
Okay, Isabel, you can
Put all, Isabel.
Put all, Isabel.
my
Slowly, Isabel, slowly. Slowly.
use it. Put all.
Slowly, Bel, slowly.
This is fun.
Tuloy ang kamay ko eh. Tigigil na
Oh my
ako.
God. My arm.
Yan.
So,
And then, get the coconut.
where is the coconut?
The coconut inside the fridge.
In the fridge.
I am sorry.
No problem. It's okay.
Now
May
put
buko
all
pa.
the coconut
Tapos
and
sasalain pa natin to. We need to strain
Can
this
I
one.
do it?
Yeah. Okay,
okay
wait,
para hindi siya wala siyang
wala siyang bobo.
bobo.
It
So
was kind
So,
of
you put here 1 cup. 1 cup of idadalawang ano
the
natin.
coconut.
Yeah, wait ah.
is this 1 cup already, right?
No, hindi yan 1 cup. Wait ah. Let me see. Dalawang ano to eh. Oh, marami to. Oh, yan na, sobra. Makakagawa tayo ng 3. Yan o, makakagawa tayo ng 3 bibingka. Diba? Hindi tinipid yan. Wait, Sabel, wait ha. Just wait, I will tell you. Nasaan na yung salan mo ga?
Nasinira ko rin, wait lang.
Wait, Sabel, don't put now ha.
Careful, ah.
Be careful.
This one because
lamp.
the dough is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, because maybe the butter that she melted is still.
Yeah, still there, and the flour also. So we have to strain
Hawakan
that
mo,
one.
Wait, your hand.
Oh, sorry. So look at the thing.
Kailangan natin.
Just a little because we just try
put
first.
the-
Then we put the coconut. Isabel pa isa, Isabel
Ay,
palagyan mo.
kay Isabel, you can put the coconut.
Put Isabel, all the coconut. Ang daming kusinera.
Sana all.
Sana all. Magulo ang kusina pag tatlo.
And
There's
then,
one more left.
okay.
So, can you say thank you for
See?
watching?
Thank you for watching.
Hope you like.
Hope you like the video.
Ayan na. Ano yung tamis?
Dami sa lapit, tingin nga.
Tingnan mo yung tamis.
Sarap.
So, we need the ano. Okay.
Yan.
Butter muna.
Butter. Make sure na wala siyang butas-butas yung dahon na.
Oh, pero may butas ang...
Pero may butas. Di ba saya-saya? So, tama na yan.
Kailangan walang butas ah.
Yung ilong niyo po hindi may butas.
Yung ilong nyo kailangan may butas para makahinga kayo.
There is a law here in the Philippines, even if you're born here, that any child below 7 years old,
Okay, then ilagay na po natin siya.
the parents, the child automatically goes to the mother. So
Ilang minuto yan lulutuin?
20 minutes.
20 minutes lang po.
Cook this sa in the low heat.
the court will ask her who should she want to go to the father or to the mom. Right now,
And then?
it's the mom. Except
So yan, let's get fire.
case against her court.
Kailangan low heat lang ya. Kaso maano yata yung fire mo dyan. Pwede ba to?
Dito para balance. Ako bahala. Within 20 minutes, Then try natin balikan.
Kailangan walang butas.
Kailangan walang butas maliban sa ilan. Luhit na yan.
Tabingi.
Luhit lang. Hawak pala nito kung ganito hinapin. So, ayan na po. So, kailangan natin to baliktarin and then cook another 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, hold this one.
Okay.
Okay, hold it.
Balik lang mo.
May mali nga naman dito. Kung totoo siya
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Diba? May sabihin na meron kang 1 or 2 sa pina, hindi na-address sa'yo. Kaya hindi mo natatanggap. Kaya hindi ka nakapag-hearing.
Okay.
Sabi ko, sir,
And then,
Uy, sabi ko dun sa salaysay nila nakalagay po is 2019.
Buksan,
Ay,
tanggalin mo yun.
2017. January 5, 2017. Nakalagay po dun sa sinumpaan salaysay
Yan
is
naman
January 5, 2019.
January 5, 2019 po yung
So, balik
Yung
natin
sa
siya
sinumpaan
dito
salaysay po
for
nila nakalagay po.
another.
sino pong
I do.
Ano po?
Takan mo.
Mary Jane.
Takpa mo, Adre.
Sino po nag-ahawak?
Hindi kasi pantay yung apoy.
Kaso siya. Siyempre, hindi nyo alam siya ang pangalan ng ano.
So, let's try this.
Investigate po.
Grabe siya! Sino to?
Diba?
Flavor of ut.
Again, doon sa mga nagsasabi na doon
Ano?
sila kay
Anong
Kuya,
lasa?
okay yan. Hindi ko kayo kukontrain dyan. However, kung totoo yung sinasabi niya na hindi siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon sa fiscal level pa lamang, pinatay na yung kanyang karapatan doon na sumagot. Pinatay.
Hindi pala to?
So,